Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so the thing is that if you've got this specific, let's say, mode or theme set, you will not be able to change the wallpaper. You will have only this white paper-like background. And to change the wallpaper, to be actually able to set anything on the home screen or lock screen, we have to change the mode. So let's begin with tapping on the settings. And here in this left section, we have to find the, let me quickly take a look, this NXTpaper zone. So it's right under the home screen and lock screen, and as you can see here we've got three different modes. So right now we've got the color paper mode, so the colors are a little bit washed out, I would say, and they're really really nice. Obviously we've got also the ink paper mode, and basically everything looks the same, but everything is kept in the black and white manner, so it's totally up to you whether you like it or not. And finally we've got this regular mode. Let's tap on it to apply it and confirm it, in which we will be actually able to change the wallpaper. So everything looks more similar to the regular Android device. Alright, so if we've got this regular mode set, we can go back. As you can see, I've got my wallpaper applied, but let me quickly change it. So right now we have to take a look at this left section again and go to the home screen and lock screen. So here we've got the section wallpaper and style, and here we have to tap on change wallpaper. So right here we've got some kind of static wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device, and as you can see we've got only one option. So I believe they didn't assume that the people would like to choose the pre-installed wallpapers and set them as a home screen. Here we've got also my photos, so obviously you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. All you have to do is to tap on the specific option. For example, this one we can touch to check the preview on the lock screen and the home screen. We can also zoom in, at least we should be able to zoom in or out, but in that case we cannot do that, unfortunately, because in the previous photo, I'd like to go back. Because if we will choose this photo, so from download it, we will be able to zoom it in or out and change the position. So as you can see, it really depends on the specific wallpaper which we will apply. Alright, so let's tap on it, and if you're happy with the results, tap on apply. Moreover, you can blur the effect for the home screen wallpaper, and for the lock screen it is not available. Alright, so just tap on apply. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. So I'll pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. But remember, it is only available in the regular mode, which you can change in the NXTpaper zone here. To be honest, I prefer this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.